Hey guys, once again welcome back to the channel 1 2 Steps, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign up into Zedge application via your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Zedge is an application which provides you the materials to customize your devices. If you want wallpapers, ringtones, audios and many more customizations for your device, you should sign up to Zedge. Now I'm going to show you how to sign up into your Zedge account by using the Facebook. In order to do that, just simply open the application and this page will show up. First of all, you have to tap into this login option, and after tapping into that option, it will give you the option to continue with Facebook. Just simply tap into this continue with Facebook option and then it will redirect you to the Chrome page where your Facebook account is logged in. Just simply check which account you want to choose. Just simply check which account that you want to use for your Zedge, and after that click to continue as your account. Just simply click to that option and then it will take a short time to process. Then after that you just simply have to put your username into this upper box which says username and then birthday to this second box. Then after that just simply tick these two boxes, then click to finish and your account will be created successfully. This way you can easily sign up to Zedge via the Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And for the more future updates like this, subscribe to the channel 1 2 Steps. Thank you for watching.